bana badito mayam. Venga muy tarde.
Nidakunyita ogeni mwiroreri wa tafarira wendete muno ya MWINJOYO thiini wa ceceni ya Inooro TV. Nie njitagwo Jambi wa Njau
na nie njitagwo Biwa wa Mbui mwanake wa Cucu. Ni uri weru wi muthaka kana ukeru wi smart waiguire atia werirwo na njira ya kuhurirwo thimu kwandikirwo message kana kwandikirwo marua. Ndirenda riu tunyitanie na thukuru wa Sigoti Complex aria megutuhingurira tafarira ya MWINJOYO magiturehera rwimbo ruria roinagwo kugathiriria uthaka wa mutumia.
Ariendaloa kidemane wabayo ikisumu tojiworo olech bendo nyisa nyathino mokoda temie hani kirilokie paro josem jonyego ketho kinda kodi tobongo nyakalaga no sechano wadagi
Electa mami nyathi mageno
Ariendaloa kidemane wabayo ikisumu tojiworo olech bendo nyisa nyathino mokoda temie hani kirilokie paro josem jonyego ketho kinda kodi tobongo nyakalaga no sechano wadagi tiriri 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 tiriri
Samawa tendara kendo aparo
Electa mama chunya okuyo mama baby na
Samame no pin kendo aparo
Electa mama mawazo mingi sana baby na Eibo makisumo newa woto kodi kawa makolwetwa Kisumu city dalawa osepeo bedo tenge kendo giworo gayawa madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Zaredo kelo bedo tenge mwalimu woro
madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Erika bongo bedo tenge mwalimu woro
madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Electa mami nyathi mageno
Ariendaloa kinde mane wabayo ikisumu tojiworo olech bendo nyisa nyathino mokoda temie hani kirilokie paro josem jonyego ketho kinda kodi tobongo nyakalaga no sechano wadagi
Tiriri tiriri tiriri
tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri tiriri
Eragimi nono nyoro turua
Jomoko tonyeo mia pachi mama tami mara
Eragimi nono no joturua
Jomoko to uso mia chunyi mama tami mara Eibo makisumo newa woto kodi kawa makolwetwa Kisumu city dalawa osepeo bedo tenge kendo giworo gayawa madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Jaredo kelo bedo tenge mwalimu woro
madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Erika bongo bedo tenge mwalimu woro
madatio yudo hawi nyathino mor sechete
Electa mami nyathi mageno
Ariendaloa kinde mane wabayo ikisumu tojiworo olech bendo nyisa nyathino mokoda temie hani kirilokie paro josem jonyego ketho kinda kodi tobongo nyakalaga no sechano wadagi
Electa mami nyathi mageno
Ariendaloa Kinemane wabayo ikisumu tojiworo. Olech bendo nyisa, nyathino mokoda. Temie hani, kiriloki e paro. Josem jonyego, keto kinda kodi. Tobongo nyakalaga no sechano wadagi.
Kendo kegethokio nigiteaga uriri na wega wakio. Otoria tegithokia oma na kihoto no tuthokie riri wa bururi witu. Nitunyitanire na thukuru wa AIC Zion magiturehera irebeta riao ritagwo Unpolluted Justice.
One by one they gather. Group after group they stood together, planning out their mischievous agenda. Our long-known fortress of might, now a graveyard in readiness for a fight. Every side of the street they are found. Under the moonlight their drums are sound. Thud, thud, they stamp their feet on the ground. Daddy, can't you go out and defend our pride? They say it's a tit for a tat. Revenge brings justice to this and that. Let us end this malice at the start by informing the police as our parts. Our mental beauty glows as it grows and grows. But painful images to brew become true and true. Daddy, Mommy, stop fighting. I'm afraid of losing any of you. They hold our hands for unity. They twinkle to show their charity. Stand man and stand up for diversity. They grease snakes in our midst. They wait patiently to take a bite. Beware their identity and record before they attack. But many deaths become our fate. Homes and homes go up in flames. Destruction of property portrays our state. We try calling out for help, but we are too late. Every step towards a test that makes us blessed from the rest. Daddy, allow me to watch this program just this one time, so that I just might learn how to fight. Remember, to get the bestest, we need to see the best from the rest. But knives and swords have become justice today. Bombs and guns have become our toys. Mob justice is now the order of the day. That shows signs of bravery for the boys. Each day we hold peace talk meetings. But deep in the night we hear the sounds of killings. These pictures in this scare and scar our thoughts with fear. Will we ever dry our tears? Charity begins at home, where morals and behaviors are sown. Beautiful memories and pictures drawn. Mommy, why can't I play with John and Felista? Teacher says, let's live like brothers and sisters. The police say, show love in all disasters, and we will be like the stars. Let us own our unity and speak as one community. By doing team building activity, we can show our nation's continuity. We can uplift our morality and dignity at school or at the university. Let's uphold our humanity and speak as one voice to end the habit of mob justice. Did Johnny have to face this malpractice? No. Let us use the proper justice portrayed by the National Security Service.
Andũ aingĩ nĩ mathũkagia marĩa matũrigicĩirie kũgerera manegene, gũtema mĩtĩ ovyo ovyo na gũte takataka handũ hothe. Thukuru wa arutani wa Kagumo Teachers Training College nĩ maratũrehera rwĩmbo rwa kũhinyĩrĩria, kũmenyerera na kũgitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Na ujumbe tunatangaza kwa wananchi wote wa Kenya, tuyalinde, tuyatunze, tuyahifadhi mazingira yetu. Tuyalinde, tuyatunze, tuyahifadhi mazingira yetu. Tuna ujumbe tunatangaza kwa wananchi wote wa Kenya, tuyalinde, tuyatunze, tuyahifadhi mazingira yetu. Tuyalinde, tuyatunze, tuyahifadhi mazingira yetu. Jukumu letu kuzitupa taka ovyo. Tuwajibike kutunza na kulinda, pia kuyahifadhi mazingira mengi yanayotukumba. Afya yetu yadhoofika kutokana na hatari ya machafuko tuliyoyaleta, kutokana na hatari ya machafuko tuliyoyaleta. Matumizi bora tuangazie ya bidhaa aina tofauti, zile zote zisababishazo machafuko hapa kwetu Kenya. Hebu tazama jinsi mito yetu ilivyochafuliwa na maji taka imejaa, harufu mbaya mwishowe twapata. Maji taka imejaa, harufu mbaya mwishowe twapata. Jukumu letu sisi wana Kenya ni kuyalinda mazingira yetu, pia kuyahifadhi. Tuache kuzitupa taka ovyo. Tuwajibike kutunza na kulinda, pia kuyahifadhi. Wajibu wetu sisi wa Kenya ni kuzindika takataka zote ili ziwe za manufaa. Tuimarishe uchumi wa Kenya ili ziwe za manufaa. Tuimarishe uchumi wa Kenya, tuache kuzitupa taka ovyo. Tuwajibike